Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. Today we are going to be installing a brand new part. It is the S-Factor front lip for the Accord. Now, I'm going to preface this that this is a used part that I picked up from a friend. Shout out to Jacob for giving it to me. And that this install will not reflect how it will look brand new. So, if you are looking forward to this video, let's get started. I should also caveat that this lip came off a 2018 to 2020, which has the bumper that was pre-facelift, so this may not represent what all 2021 Accord lips will go like. Just making it work. Regardless, I think this so far is a very high quality lip, and if you're looking for something that's solid and not a three-piece like the Yofer or Akasaka lips, I would definitely recommend getting S-Factor. It's a little more pricier, but build quality is definitely solid, and if you let S-Factor know what year Accord you have, they'll definitely get you the right one. Here is the lip we have here. What I've gone ahead and done is re-cleared the top of the lip and sprayed the bottom of it black and re-cleared this carbon fiber piece. And the way it's going to install is like so, like that. All right, so to do this install, what you'll want to do is remove this black plastic piece here underneath the front bumper. That way you can reach your hand in and tighten these bolts. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so with that part removed, let me show you the clips here. You have to remove this part here. That'll help reach into the bumper. And once you do that, start lining up the lip and marking where you need to drill. Let's do that next. Alright, so we've got our lip about where we want it. What I've done is placed 3 jack stands underneath the lip and kind of lined up left to right that it's an even gap all the way around. And now that we've got this kind of lined up, I'm going to take a Sharpie and start marking on the bumper where I need to drill my pilot holes for. For our pilot holes, what I've done is I've taken this Sharpie and lined up to the hole where I think I'll need to be drilling. So let's go ahead and do that and start drilling. Alright, now that we've got our pilot hole, let's go ahead and get a bolt in there so we can hold this side in while we drill the other side. Okay. Alright, got this side pretty solidly mounted. I used 2-inch bolts for this. I think 2-inch was a little too long. If you need hardware, I would go for 1-inch or maybe 1.5 for the outsides. Because I don't know if you can see, but this rubs against this plastic piece right here. But we made it work like that. And I think it's pretty tight, so let's go ahead and do the other side and repeat. Quick tip, when inserting a bolt through these holes, you'll want to move this fender liner out a little bit, so make sure you unhook the tabs right here as well. Alright, so we've got the left and right side done. I would say that's pretty much the hard part here. And now what we just need to do is drill out the holes for the rest of these, and we should be good to go. Okay, so for this front piece here, you'll need 3-inch bolts, and you also need this 1/4-inch height spacer to go on top of here, so that when you put the bolt through, there is just a tiny little bit of a gap. So yeah, you'll also need a 1/4-inch spacer. I'm gonna paint this black real quick. Alright, it is on. Gonna give it a double check, but it is on pretty good. No falling off here, I hope. Tricky part about this was getting the front three here installed. Let me go under and show you. It's pretty dark, but what ends up happening is here you have a lot of plastic that runs up against here, and what I would recommend, instead of using 3-inch bolts for these, possibly do 1.5 inches. But for the most part, this hopefully shouldn't affect anything. Other than that, just take your time. Probably hear a lot of yelling from getting into hard places, but other than that, you know, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna go ahead and button this up. Alrighty, got the front lip on. Whew. It does work pretty well with the silver, not gonna lie. But yeah, I mean, the quality of this honestly is amazing. It's on there real nice and good. I've got a feeling if I rip off this lip, this whole bumper is coming with it. That's how good it is. But yeah, if you guys found this install helpful, let me know. Be sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm thinking about maybe going to the drag strip before it gets too cold to get some quarter-mile times in. If that's something you guys want to see, sound it off down in the comments. Follow my Instagram, social media at QMedia. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!